Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 107. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 8, 5 here, so 8, 9, 8 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 8, 8 here, so 2, 4, and no help here, 2, 4, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 3, 4, 4 here, 5 here, so 1, 3. 1 and 4 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 2, 7, 5, 6, and 7 here. Means this is our 2, 7. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. And now if we look at this bottom row, the only place our 5 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 1, 4. So the only place our 2 can be in this box is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 1, 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 1, 8, 4. If we look at this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, 6 here. Means this is our 9. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. And we can get rid of this 8. So that means in this row, our 8 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And for this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 5 makes this our 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. that this 4 makes this our 2, so this is our 5, and that 2 makes this our 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. No help. 8, 9. Well, this 5 makes this our 9, 8, 5, and that 8 makes this our 9. For this row, then we've got 1 and 2, we're missing a 3. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.